Americans are increasingly turning to AI tools for online tutoring, and it's revolutionizing the way we learn. Imagine having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to explain complex concepts in a way that makes sense to you. Platforms like Khan Academy and Duolingo are integrating AI to personalize learning experiences, adapting to each student's pace and style. These tools analyze performance in real time, offering instant feedback and tailored resources. It's like having a study buddy who knows exactly what you need to succeed. Plus, with advancements in natural language processing, AI can engage in meaningful conversations, making learning interactive and fun. The future of education is here, and it's powered by technology. If you're in the e-learning space, you know how crucial it is to stay ahead of the curve. Embracing these AI innovations isn't just smart, it's essential for effective learning in today's fast-paced world.